Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in this tutorial we're going to be looking at how to create trending images with artificial intelligence. So I know you've been seeing all these images scrolling through your feed on Facebook and on other social media platforms, and also on your WhatsApp status, on Facebook stories, and virtually everywhere you turn you're seeing pictures of babies, and people are running after them with broom, all sort of funny pictures and exciting, and you want to learn how to also do them. So in this tutorial today I'm going to be showing you how exactly those images are being generated. They are being generated with an artificial intelligence tool, and I'm going to be showing you how exactly it is done. So what you just need to do is to go to Google and type Bing Image Creator. Alright, Bing. So once you start to type it, it's going to come out, and then you can just click on it. Alright, so we have Bing Image Creator, so just click on it, and it's going to bring you here most likely, and then you can even see all of these images that are being created by some person. So very likely it's going to be the first search result you're going to see. So you click on it, and what you're going to be doing is to create an account. Alright, so it's going to tell you to join and create. So you're going to be creating an account with your Microsoft account. So I already have an account, it's not going to take me to that place anymore, but for you it's going to it's going to direct you to create an account. So it's very simple. So if you have a Microsoft account, you just enter the email address and the password, and then you log in. It's going to bring you here. But if you don't have an account, you're going to be seeing an option to create. Alright, so once you create, it's going to bring you down to this interface, and then you should be able to start with prompting the tool to generate whatever image you want to generate. So let's start with writing a prompt to create one of these images you've been seeing online. With a broom. Alright, I'll say the setting should be in a typical Chinese village. Alright, so this is the prompt I have I have typed out for this tool to create this this image for you. So it's actually it's more like bringing your imagination to life. So this is actually something I've written, and I want this tool to bring this text to life through an image. So let's see what it's going to create for us. So I'll click on create, and let's see what it's going to create for us. Cool. So you can see this is similar to what you've been seeing everywhere online, although this is not exactly looking as anyways, I'm sure you've been seeing such things. You've been seeing similar things online. So this is exactly how to create it. So it's more like bringing your imagination to life. It's it's all about prompting this tool, telling it what to do, and then watching it create what it is you want it to do for you. So let's use another prompt. Let's create an entirely different prompt. Let's see an image of chickens in a board meeting in an official meeting of some sort. An image of chickens, okay, having a board meeting of chickens, having a board meeting in an official office setting. And let's see what it's going to create for us. Amazing. So you can see what it's brought up, right? So this is cool. So I don't know if you've seen this one also, but essentially all of these things are generated with prompts, right? They are generated with text. So you just think of whatever it is you want to create and then put it out there, and the tool would generate whatever it is you have asked it to generate. All right, so I'm just going to, so once you're done, once you like what you have created, you click on the image and then you download it. All right, so let's go on to download this image. All right, so or we can share it immediately. So let's see, I'll click on this dotted line here, and then I'm going to click on download. Then it's going to ask me, do I want to download the image? And I'll click on download. So it's going to download to my device automatically, and then I can share it wherever it is I want to share it. All right, so that is that about how to create these trending images you've been seeing everywhere online. All right, so it's done with an AI tool called Binge Image Creator. All right, so go on ahead to create yours and have fun. All right, so thank you so very much for staying on to the end of this tutorial. And hey, if you're not yet subscribed to this channel, this is the right time to do that, because we share similar videos like this every week, and you don't want to miss out on any of them. You can also share this video to your friends so that they can also learn how to do this as well. All right, so thank you so very much, and I'll see you in subsequent videos. Bye for now.